Right, still.
So that is the Buckingham Palace there. They open for a tour, visitors visit tours in the summer, but at the moment they are closed from people. Got nice sunshine today. Good morning, people.
Morning.
Today is our third day and
Third and final day.
And we are off to Buckingham Palace. First, we're gonna look for souvenirs to bring to the kiddos home. So look at that. Got nice sunshine today.
Lovely morning, isn't it?
Lovely morning. See you later. We're gonna check this out. See if we can find something here for the boys. Oh, probably Forrest will like that, or Ryder.
What?
Police.
How are you going to carry it?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy a bag. Okay, we have ordered our breakfast. So we're having breakfast here. This is coffee, cappuccino for me, latte for me. It's shocking, peeps. Service charge here in London is 20%. Wow. Thank you. Okay. So this is Victoria. Oh. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
You can go up the tower if you want. You can go up the tower at Westminster Cathedral. £6 each to go up the tower.
Shall we?
If you want to.
Yeah. It's also an experience. Another underground, look. So probably that's the underground that we Here we are, Cathedral. Is it?
Yeah.
We'll do then.
See that door there? Where them two ladies have just gone in.
Yeah.
I saw a sign up there yesterday. It says trips up the tower at £6.
Okay.
There's a viewing platform up there that you get a view of about City.
Okay, we'll go there then.
This weather looking for us.
Okay, we went for a quick visit at Westminster Cathedral. Again. Well, it's nice, you know, to be here 3 times. And yeah, we wanted to go at the tower, but it's closed. So we're gonna go to
Only opens Thursday to Sunday, doesn't it?
yeah, we're gonna go find Buckingham Palace now and have a tea with the king.
With the king.
wanted to have a tea with the Queen, but now it's the King.
So we can see Houses of Parliament as well.
Yes, why not? What? Do you want to join the debate? So what's your opinion about going back to Brexit?
Rejoining Europe.
Rejoining Euro?
Well, I voted Brexit, but
You changed your mind now?
no, not fully. I'm thinking about it. I haven't fully made my decision on it. It probably has damaged the country leaving, but I don't like all these cheap foreign workers coming and keeping everybody else's wages low. So wages are going up now. Now the foreigners have gone. So
Yeah. Okay. So this is the Buckingham Palace.
Yes, it's lovely.
Japan Course and Culture. So this is it.
Quick, Layla. Layla. When we come on.
Regarde là-bas, il marche. Regarde, regarde, regarde. Regarde. Tu vois, il marche. Non, non. Why are we on this? Just go to different. Right, still.
So that is the Buckingham Palace there. They open for a tour, visit tours in the summer, but at the moment they are closed from people. Got nice sunshine today. So that is the entrance. Actually, I think it's nice to take picture here with that background there. What's it? Picture. Helicopter coming, so it might be one of the dignitaries, maybe Maybe it's Prince Charles. King Charles, they call it.
Or William.
Also, they use helicopter when they come in here. So that's Queen Victoria there. Nice sculpture. People are going there. Who is in there? Ooh, I wonder who that is.
Somebody important, isn't it?
Yeah, somebody important. That looks like there are still cars coming in.
No, we're in that.
Wonder who was that? Probably William or Harry or whoever.
It wouldn't have been Harry, would it?
Yeah. But you could see how popular this royal family is. People are running. Including us. Well, you know, we come from Doncaster. Just to have a glance of this. So, yeah, we didn't run. We just walked. Hoping that
we don't know who in it.
we don't know who was in it, but it was nice. Yeah, I'm not talking anymore because I'm videoing. Hello, Black Swan. So this is the lake of Buckingham Palace here. They have a nice like a nature. So shall we walk up to there? We're gonna look for some bench to sit. Last night we explored London, and this is London at night. Traffic. This is London. Traffic.
We could get up inside of it.
It's really, really big. London Eye. Look at that. It's so alive. So this is London at night. So we are there here in Westminster Station. So we will be walking to the London Bridge. London Bridge is falling down. There are souvenir shops along. Oh, actually, in here, I think this is a nice. The place is so alive, so many people, and it's we are walking around by the Westminster Bank in here. Across, overlooking, is the London Eye, and then when you go across, you're gonna pass by London Bridge, and it was a nice view, nice feeling of nightlife, really. A lot of music around, people walking around. It's so nice for a change. The building has got light color of a rainbow. London Eye is pink. Beautiful. Oh yeah, just London Bridge. You get the view of London Bridge and Westminster Abbey. And so this is the London Dungeon. So get in there at your own risk. This is the London Eye. There, it's pink color. Someone's kid is crying at the background. By the way, we have nothing to do with that. And this is London Eye. One round of this is 30 minutes, and once you're at the top, you can see the view of London. I only been there once, and it was a really beautiful view, especially at night. Collect. This is only like about 6 o'clock in the evening, but obviously because it's still winter, it's already dark. But yeah, there are people around. There are some people singing at the background, and so much activities really going on. We're going up there.
Can do if you want.
Move back there. Okay, we are walking in this on this path walk. Yeah, right there. Actually, this is a good view. Okay, so there is this bar by River Thames. We decided to go in and have a little drink, and the guard checked my bag for security purposes. And yes, we're going in. Looks like this is a nice place really to unwind during this night. This is Richard's favorite. He loves his beer. Right, so this is my drink. Crimson lemonade
Mine
with
pale ale.
pale ale with a nice view up there. Lovely view up there. Lovely pub on a boat at the River Thames, and overlooking is the London Eye, London Bridge, the Big Ben, and all these tourist spots here in London. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.